Bro, I just made $200 without leaving this couch. Wait, what? How? 3 AI tools. That's it. No skills, no experience, zero investment. And anyone can do this. Literally anyone. Okay. I'm listening. What are these tools? But first, you know why most people fail online? Crypto, drop shipping, surveys, wrong tools. Every single time.
Okay, that actually makes sense.
Okay, fine. I tried all 3 of those. Lost money on every single one. Exactly. It's not your fault, it's the tools. The right tools change everything. So let me show you what actually works. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. You type a prompt, it writes the content, blog posts, scripts, emails, done. Freelancers are charging $50 to $200 per project. But everyone knows ChatGPT. How is that special? Knowing it, monetizing it, are 2 completely different things. Most people use it for fun. Smart people use it to get paid. You go on Fiverr or Upwork, offer content writing, client sends topic, ChatGPT writes it, you deliver it. Takes maybe 20 minutes. You charge $75. That's $25 in one afternoon. Okay, that's actually really smart. And the best part? You don't need to be a writer. ChatGPT does the writing. You just need to know how to use it. And that takes 1 afternoon to learn. Okay, I'm already sold. What's tool 2? Tool 2, Canva AI. You've heard of Canva, right? Now it has AI built in. You describe what you want, it designs it. Thumbnails, logos, social posts. Businesses need this every single day, and they pay well for it. But I literally cannot design anything. Like, I failed art class. That's the whole point. You don't design anything. You type a sentence, and Canva AI builds it. Wait, that took like 5 seconds? Businesses pay $30 to $100 per design. You do 5 designs a day, that's $500. And with Canva AI, each design takes maybe 10 minutes. That's actually insane. Why doesn't everyone do this? Look at these. All made with Canva AI in under 10 minutes each. These look professional. Like actually professional. And that's only tool 2. Wait till you hear tool 3. Okay, tool 3. This is the one nobody talks about. InstaDoodle.
InstaDoodle? What is that?
Doodles? Like stick figures? You're telling me stick figures make money? No art skills needed. 0. Businesses need simple doodle content every single day. Wait, people actually pay for this?
This sounds too easy. Like, suspiciously easy.
I know it sounds crazy, but it's completely legit. I've done it myself.
Okay, I believe you. Tell me more.
InstaDoodle teaches you step-by-step how to create simple doodle content and sell it online. Daily income. No art degree, no experience. Just follow the system.
Okay, this is the one! This is the one I'm doing!
And here's the big picture. People are using these 3 tools to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. Real people, real income, from home. No commute, no boss, just you, no laptop, and Wi-Fi. Wait, from home? Like no boss? No office? No boss, no office. Just you, your laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection. That's actually the dream. And the best part? You can start today, right now, for free. No investment, no experience, just 3 tools and the willingness to start. Okay, I'm clicking the InstaDoodle link right now. Do it! Seriously, your future self will thank you. The link is right below. Click it. Start today. Let's go.